I love Freeland. I always have. And whatever it's gonna take to get her back on her feet, I'm gonna do it.
He's got a plan, and it's not gonna be good for any of us.
This is how it's always gonna end, Jen. With me on the top, and you under my boot.
Tobias Whale. He coming for all of us.
There is no light without shadow.
Anissa and Jennifer are out there. They need your help.
AJ!
I'm so tired of this. Black Lightning was trying to save the world.
Jeff, hold on, please!
I'm just trying to save my family. So, fellas,